In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the min function in LibreOffice Calc so you can quickly find the smallest value in a range of numbers. This is a really useful formula whether you're working with grades, sales data, expenses, or any list of values where you need the minimum number fast. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tips and spreadsheet tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left-hand side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, just use that one. Once your sheet is ready, click the cell where you want the smallest value to appear. This is where the result of the formula will show up. Now type equals min, then open a parenthesis. So the formula starts like this. Equals min, open parenthesis, dot. At this point, you need to select the number cells you want to check. You can click and drag across a row, a column, or a block of data depending on where your numbers are. LibreOffice Calc will automatically insert the cell range into the formula for you. For example, if your numbers are in cells A1 through A10, your formula will look something like equals min open parenthesis A. 1 colon A10 close parenthesis. If your numbers are spread across different cells, you can also select multiple ranges depending on your layout. The key idea is that min looks through all the selected values and finds the smallest one. After selecting the cells, type the closing parenthesis and press enter. So the full formula is complete once you have equals min, your selected range, and then the closing bracket. As soon as you press enter, LibreOffice Calc will calculate the result and display the smallest value from the cells you selected. This is especially helpful when you want to compare figures without scanning through them manually. Instead of looking line by line for the lowest number, the min function does the work for you instantly. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes your spreadsheet much easier to use. If you want to test it, try entering a few numbers into different cells first. Then apply the min formula in an empty cell. You'll see the lowest value appear right away. And if you later change one of the numbers in the range, the result will update automatically, which is one of the best parts of using formulas in Calc. A quick tip: make sure you're only selecting numeric cells for the best result. If your range includes text or blank cells, Calc will usually ignore non-numeric values. But it's always good practice to keep your data clean and organized. That way, your formulas stay accurate and easy to manage. So to recap, the steps are simple. Open LibreOffice Calc, click the results cell, type equals min open parenthesis, select your number range, close the parenthesis, and press enter. That's all it takes to find the smallest value in seconds. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more LibreOffice Calc tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.